Oh my goodness, your stock just dropped 20% in the market. Should you sell or hold on? Hi, my name is Chisom, and today I'll be showing you what to do when a stock you're holding is falling so you don't panic and make bad decisions that could make you lose money unnecessarily. First, you need to understand falling stocks. Stocks can fall for so many reasons: temporary market volatility, company specific issues, economic or political events, and so on and so forth. Not every drop is a reason to sell. You need context first. The key is analyzing why this stock is falling before you make any decision. So the first rule, as always, is don't panic sell until you understand what's going on. Do not panic and sell off your stocks. Because when you sell off your stocks, in that kind of situation, you've locked in your losses. That's it. You've made a loss. That's it. And you should also understand that historically, quality stocks recover after all these short-term dips and falls and stuff. The second rule is to analyze what actually caused this drop. Ask yourself, has something fundamentally changed about this company recently? Is the drop due to market-wide or economic factors and not just specific to the company itself? So, if the fundamentals to all these things you're asking yourselves are strong, you should definitely hold on more, and if possible, buy the dip. That's what crypto people say, Abby. Buy the dip. But if the fundamentals of all these questions you asked yourself are not really strong, they're kind of broken, then maybe you should consider selling those stocks. The third rule is to check your risk tolerance. Now, stocks falling, rising and falling, they are pretty normal, but you should also consider how much can you emotionally and mentally take when it comes to this kind of drops and rises. And not just mentally, how much can your finances actually take when it comes to these drops? Consider that. If a particular stock falling keeps you up at night, so then maybe you should readjust and re-strategize your decisions and your portfolio maybe. Which is why we always say that you should never invest money that you're going to need real soon in stocks. I mean, what are you doing? The fourth rule is to look at long-term potential. So it would be advisable to focus on long-term outlook than on these daily fluctuations that are probably happening at that point. So maybe focus on the long-term foresight of like, what is this company going to achieve in the long run? And the fifth rule is to use diversification as a buffer. Now, if you have a very diversified portfolio, a couple of falling stocks wouldn't really bother you because your portfolio is well balanced and some are really doing well. So the few that are not doing well will not really start keeping you up at night or making you rethink your life decisions and so on and so forth. Which is why you should never let one stock dictate your entire investment strategy. So diversification is key no matter what. Now that you know what to do when a stock you're holding in your portfolio is falling, whether you should sell or hold or buy more, in our next video, I'll be giving you the honest truth about how long it takes to make money from stocks. The honest truth. And as always, follow me, like, share to your friends who you think might be needing this, and I'll be seeing you in the next video. Bye-bye.